Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Philips on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Philips headphones. Click on it. Now install the application. Now open it, accept, continue, close it, allow, OK. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!